Hello students, do you know alphabet? It has 26 letters. So let's sing the song of alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 26 letters have their own sound and each letter produces different sound. So let's have fun with the story of sound. So first enjoy the story of letter A. There was a little girl whose name was Annie. She climbed up on an apple tree. Then what happened? An ant bit her on her ankle. Annie said, "Something is tickling me." Annie shouts and make a sound A. So kids, what is the sound of A for apple? Yes, A says A. Bablu the big bear has a big balloon and a blue ball. When he is playing with the blue ball, the ball bounces like ba. So kids, what is the sound of B letter? Yes, B says ba. Cammy the little girl has nice curly hair. She likes to eat delicious cake. While eating delicious cake, she curls up her hair and says curly So kids, what is the sound of C letter? Yes, it is ka. David the drummer likes to play with his drum. While playing with his drum, the drum marches up and down and makes a sound like da. So kids, what is the sound of D letter? Da.
Ellie the innocent girl
Want to make breakfast, so she tapped eggs in the kitchen. To open the eggs, she tapped its shell to the side of a pan. While tapping it, it makes a sound like a. So kids, what is the sound of E letter? Yes, it is a. Now it's turn of letter F. There was a fire on the farm. Let the fireman fight with the fire. For putting out the fire, he took out his long horse. While water was coming out of the horse, it sounded like f. So kids, what is the sound of letter F? F. Geeta the gorgeous girl was staying with her granny. Geeta and granny both were fond of eating groundnut. After eating groundnut, they both drank water and giggles sound like ga. So kids, what is the sound of G letter? Yes, G says ga. Helen, Harry, Hanif and Harriet hope as fast as they can. It is a hot day and hoping is a hard work. Harry is huffing and puffing. By the time he finishes, ha. So kids, what is the sound of H letter? Ha. There was a little girl named Ishita. She liked to write with ink pen. She filled the ink pen with ink. Then one day, what happens? All the ink fell on her Johnny loves jelly. Johnny's mother has promised him to make jelly when he came back from school. Mother showed him jelly she made. As Johnny carried it to the table, the jelly was wobble and wobble. Johnny was very happy. He pretended and the jelly was wobble like j, j, j. So kids, what is the sound of J letter? J, j, j. Karan, kangaroo and kitten are best friends. Kangaroo wants to fly kite in the sky. Karan and kitten want to play with the ball. Karan throw the ball as hard as he can and sounds like ka, ka, ka. So kids, what is the sound of K letter? Ka, ka, ka. Lisa is looking lovely in her lavender dress. She likes to have leafy vegetables and lemon in her breakfast. She likes to eat lollipop. Mama gave her a lollipop and she started licking lollipop like la, la, la. So kids, what is the sound of letter L? La, la, la. Now it's turn of letter M. Molly's mother cooked some muffins for her. She ate the muffins and she said, mmm. So kids, the sound of letter M is mmm, ma. Let's see the sound of letter N. Nancy and her friends went to the garden. They were playing in the garden. There, Nancy heard a loud noise. It was an aeroplane in the sky. It made a sound like mm. So kids, what is the sound of letter N? Mm. No. Yes, the sound of letter N is mm. Now it's time for letter O. Oliva and Oscar had a new bedroom. The light switch is near the bed so that they can switch on and off the light by themselves. Oliva leaves over to the light and it turn it off and on, off and on. So the sound was O, O. So kids, what is the sound of letter O? O, O. Paul's mother make a birthday cake with purple icing. He has put 3 candles on it. Paul's blow out candle, but it light up again. Paul puffed the candle. So kids, what is the sound of letter P? Yes, P, P. Now it's time for letter Q. Queena quite enjoyed going to the park with her family members. There are small ducks in the pond. Looking at her, they started quacking. Quack, quack, quack. So kids, what is the sound of letter Q? Quack, quack, quack. Now it's turn of letter R. Robin's father has a new car. When he starts the car makes sound like r, r, r. So kids, what is the sound of letter R? R, r, r. The sound of letter R is r. It's turn of letter S. It is sunny morning. Sarah want to make sandcastle. Suddenly, a spotted snake crawled out of the sand and started hissing loudly and sound like. So kids, what is the sound of letter S? S. Tim and Tom were watching an important match on the television. When the match began, the two players hit the ball to each other. It sounds like ta ta ta. So kids, what is the sound of letter T? Ta ta ta. Now it's turn of letter U. Alik has fever tonight, so his mother gives him medicine. After drinking medicine, he makes sound So kids, what is the sound of letter U? Vicky and Varun are best friends. Vicky plays violin and Varun is driving his van. While driving his van makes sound V. So kids, what is the sound of letter V? Now it's time of letter W. One woman sat upon a wall drinking delicious watermelon juice. She saw a pretty bird on the window. She heard the wind blowing like w. So kids, what is the sound of letter W? W. Now it's turn of letter X. Rex wants to cut his hair. So he goes to a barber shop. Barber pick up the scissor and start cutting his hair. While cutting the hair, the scissor sounds like So kids, what is the sound of letter X? Now it's time of letter Y. Yasmin likes to eat yogurt and she likes to play with yo-yo. While eating yogurt, he said yummy, yum yum. And while playing with yellow yo-yo, it makes sounds like ya, ya, ya. So kids, what is the sound of letter Y? Ya, ya, ya. Now it's turn of our last letter Z. Zubir and his family went to visit a zoo. He was playing with his toy zebra. Suddenly, he heard a big buzzing sound. He looks around. A big honeybee buzzing around the flower and sound like z z z z z z z z. So kids, what is the sound of Z letter?
Z.
So kids, now we will revise the sound of all letter. First, letter A. The sound of letter A, and the sound of B letter is B. What is the sound of C letter? The sound of C letter is K. What is the sound of D letter? D. Now the sound of E letter. E says A. The sound of F letter F. The sound of G letter. What the sound of G letter? G. Now the sound of H letter. H says H. Sound of I. E. Now the sound of J. J. Sound of J is J. Now the sound of K. K. What is the sound of letter L? L. Now the sound of M. M. Sound of N. N. Sound of O. Now the sound of P. P, P, P. What is the sound of Q letter? Qua, qua, qua. What is the sound of R letter? R, 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 R. What is the sound of S? S, S, S. What is the sound of T letter? T, T, T. Now the turn of U. What is the sound of V letter? V, V, V. Now the sound of W. V, V, V. Sound of X. X, 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 X. Now the sound of Y. Y, Y, Y. And the sound of last letter Z. J, Z, Z.